Saturday, May 30th, 2026 Korea News Brief. Economic Summary. This is the brief on the South Korean economy. Today's snapshot is a complex economic puzzle where domestic resilience is battling intense external volatility, kind of like a ship in a storm taking on water from the outside but being frantically bailed out by the crew inside. First, South Korea's Q1 economic growth was just 0.3%, avoiding negative growth entirely thanks to a boost in private consumption, with everyday consumers acting as the shock absorbers keeping the national economic engine from stalling out. Second, those exact same consumers keeping us afloat are now facing a major squeeze, because the May Consumer Price Index just rose by 3.3% year over year. So how long can shoppers prop up the economy if their wallets are getting 3.3% lighter? Third, inflation isn't just a domestic issue, as a record-high trade deficit is severely weakening the national currency, triggering foreign exchange volatility that briefly pushed the won-dollar rate to the 1,351 range during intraday trading. It's a brutal double whammy, right? Because things cost way more at home and the country's money has way less buying power abroad. Finally, contrasting that grim trade reality, we're seeing a gravity-defying boom in the stock market, where the Kospi index surged by 22% this month, even though foreign investors dumped a massive 45 trillion won in net selling. Seriously, if foreign investors are fleeing to the tune of 45 trillion won, who exactly is fueling this massive 22% rally? Ultimately, South Korea's economy is currently surviving on sheer domestic spending and local market optimism, even as trade deficits and currency pressures mount. Follow or subscribe to get the latest news updates. Your follow or subscription and likes greatly support our production.